Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening your presentation app and creating a new file. This establishes a clean canvas. Once done, set slide size and theme so layout decisions stay consistent. You should import any images and logos now to avoid interrupting flow later. Make sure fonts are installed and accessible on this machine. If not, choose web-safe alternatives. Save the file with a clear name and enable autosave so you never lose progress while you build slides. You now focus on structure. Use the master slide to lock in headers, logos, and fonts so every slide inherits consistency. Next, add slide layouts for title, agenda, and content. This saves time as you populate sections. When inserting charts or tables, link them to your source data so updates flow automatically. Once content blocks exist, arrange text and visuals with alignment guides and smart guides for tidy spacing. This makes your deck readable and professional. You finish by proofreading and checking accessibility features like alt text and sufficient contrast. This reduces last-minute issues. Once content is locked, export to PPTX and PDF, embedding fonts if you will present on another system. Test the file on a second device and run through slide timings and animations to ensure smooth playback. If something fails, missing fonts or broken links, relink assets, replace fonts with safe alternatives, and re-export immediately to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.